No feedback rows exist yet, so the target median is unknown. I will start with Inception as a high-information mainstream movie guest covering sci-fi action 2010, high rating, Nalan, and recognizable actors. I am accepting cookies, selecting the drop-down results with enter only for the highlighted suggestion, then clicking the guess button if required. Step 1 type card is red. The guest title Inception is a movie, so target median equals TV. Step 2, year is red, meaning farther than 2 years from 2010, but the arrow is obscured by the drop-down and not legible. Rating is yellow, meaning within 0.5 of Inception's 8.8, with the arrow also not legible. Overlaps, action genre is green, adventure and sci-fi are gray. Actors Leonardo DiCaprio, Joseph Gordon-Levitt, and Elliot Page show no overlap, and director Christopher Nolan shows no overlap. Constraints, target is a TV series, as action does not have adventure or sci-fi from this guess. Rating is roughly 8.3 to 9.3, and it is not Inception. Type card is red from Inception, and Inception was a movie, so target medium equals TV series. Year is farther than 2010 with arrow up, so the target is newer than 2012. Rating is within 0.5 of 8.8 with arrow down, so likely about 8.3 to 8.7. Action overlaps, while adventure, sci-fi, Nolan, and the list of actors do not. The Boys is a newer action TV series with a close rating and distinct people. Step 1 type card is green. The guest title appears to be Trailer Park Boys, which is a TV series, so target median equals TV. Step 2, your card is red, so the target is farther than 2 years from Trailer Park Boys, but the arrow is obscured by the open drop-down and not legible. Rating card is yellow, so the target is within 0.5 of the guest rating, with the arrow not legible. Overlaps, crime genre is green, comedy is gray. Actors John Paul Tremblay, Rob Wells, and Mike Smith show no overlap, and no director overlap is shown. Constraints, target is a TV series, includes crime, does not include comedy from this guess, has a rating close to Trailer Park Boys, and is not Trailer Park Boys. Type card is green for Trailer Park Boys, and that guess was a TV series, so target median equals TV series. Year 2004 is red with arrow up, so the target is newer than 2006. Rating 8.5 is yellow with arrow down, so target is roughly 8.0 to 8.4. Crime overlaps while comedy and the Trailer Park Boys actors do not, and earlier action overlapped. Banshee is a newer action crime TV series with about an 8.4 rating. Step 1, type card is green. The guest title Banshee is a TV series, so target median equals TV. Step 2, your card is red, so the target is farther than 2 years from Banshee's 2013, but the arrow is obscured by the open drop-down and not legible. Rating card is green, so the target has the same IMDb rating as Banshee, about 8.4. Overlaps, action, crime, and drama genres are green. Actors Anthony Starr, Ivana Milicevic, Ulrich Thompson, Frankie Faison, and Hoon Lee show no clear overlap, and director O. Christian Madsen and Greg Yataines show no clear overlap. Constraints, target is a TV series, action, crime, and drama, rating is about 8.4, years not 2011 to 2015, and it is not Banshee. Type card is green for Banshee, and Banshee is a TV series, so target median equals TV series. The year card is red with an up arrow, so the target is newer than 2015, and rating is green at 8.4. Genres action, crime, and drama all overlap, while the Banshee actors and directors do not, making The Punisher a strong newer action crime drama TV series candidate with rating 8.4. Nice, we got it in 4 guesses. The answer was The Punisher. The key clues were locking onto a TV series with an 8.4 rating, then narrowing through the action, crime, and drama genre overlaps to land on the 2017 target.